Veteran Zimbabwean journalist Blessed Mhlanga delivered a scathing indictment on the Zimbabwean government at the Geneva summit today, accusing authorities of weaponizing the legal system to silence dissent and warning that the country is sliding deeper into authoritarianism. Salamina mashko branyo gopangwa inachinzi. Journalist Blessed Mhlanga slams Zimbabwe government at Geneva summit, warns of sophisticated repression. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina una more branyo kwa mchinzi. Mhlanga told the delegates he spent 75 days in pre-trial detention in 2025 for allegedly broadcasting a speech he neither authored nor delivered, describing his incarceration as lawfare, repression carried out through courts rather than overt violence. He said prosecutors manipulated evidence and they repeatedly denied him bail in violation of the constitution. Although now released, Mhlanga said he remains effectively restricted with bail conditions crippling his finances. He accused the state of targeting journalists' families to deter critical reporting, saying the government punishes you through punishing your family. He rejected claims that Zimbabwe is reforming, warning instead that repression has merely become more sophisticated. Mhlanga cited the proposed constitutional changes, allowing longer presidential terms and greater executive control over judicial appointments as evidence of democratic backsliding. In cause, these proposals open a very dark door, he said, urging the UN and Western governments to act before Zimbabwe descends further into authoritarian rule and forced migration. Mhlanga credited international pressure from the US, UK, and EU for securing his release and called for sustained global solidarity, vowing he would continue reporting despite intimidation. Zimbabwe is not democratizing, he said. Oppression spreads like a virus if left unchecked. Roma Shwantagwa na Mhlanga ava ku Geneva. Rekomend section medu za fungulo emote kulipa mzuri wechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.